Hi guys, so this is JJ Everything Is Us KM, and I'm Lieutenant Sarcasm 11. I haven't made a video in a while because I've been kind of lazy about it, so you can yell at me, or you can yell at that for me later. I tried doing this earlier with my trusty Pepper here, but I just can't seem to do it, so I'm going to try to do it now in front of all of YouTube. Well, not all of YouTube, because I'm pretty sure no one likes my videos. But they'll get there, I swear. This is my cat, by the way. Alright, now get off the counter. Alright, so, Pepper. And I don't know if I should just like sniff it and see how that works out, but I'll try. Here it goes. Oh god. I did it! Oh my god, it's so awesome! Oh, I sound like a man when I sneeze. Oh my gosh. But now we're gonna hope the rest of... Oh my god. That's a stupid idea. Alright, so now it's Shortyemogurl's, joellaellabellas, and Glaciaicemaster's turn to do this. So go to their channels and bombard them with like, oh, you gotta do the challenge. Because Lieutenant Sarcasm did it. And it's not that hard, but the sneezing makes up for it. So I'll be making more videos later tomorrow because I have ideas now and I'm not lazy. And if I wasn't using my iPod to make this, I would totally edit this video, but I don't have a computer yet to do that because I broke mine. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe if you like it. I'm Lieutenant Sarcasm. This is JJ Everything Is Us KM, and enjoy the rest of your day.